Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to update your gallery application in your Samsung smartphone, so how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the gallery on your phone. Once you're on the gallery, then tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner. From there, you need to select settings. So once you access settings, from there you need to scroll down where you will find about gallery option. So you need to tap on that one. And here the version you see you currently have, and then they say that there is a new version available, so you need to update. If your gallery application is up to date, so you will not find the update option and it will say that your gallery application is up to date. So all you need to do is to tap on the update. So once you tap on update, it will bring you to the Galaxy store, and from here you will find the update option right at the bottom. So you need to tap on update, and as you can see now the update is downloading. It will take a bit of time and then it will be downloaded and installed at the same time. So guys, this is all it takes to update your Samsung Gallery application in your Samsung phones. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.